school uniform, what do you think? Most people see school uniforms as negative, taking students' creativity and individuality away. On the contrary, school uniforms have some surprising benefits. How would you like it if you didn't have to go school shopping anymore? Uniforms are 1, more cost-effective, 2, decrease the amount of bullying, and 3, increase individuality and creativity in other ways. Let's start with how much a uniform costs compared to buying clothes for school. In 2013, a national survey comprising of 517 school leaders discovered that 94% said that one of the main benefits of school uniforms are they're more cost-effective than regular apparel. This survey, which shows that parents are finding it easier to have students wear uniforms rather than buying them school clothes. Parents don't need to worry about finding the good deals and correct sizes. They have found uniforms to be cost-effective as well as time-saving too. A representative of Frontiers Academy said uniforms reduce morning stress by making the process of getting dressed easier. Students know exactly what they can and cannot wear. Another advantage of school uniforms is that it decreases the amount of bullying at school. If you're walking through the hall and you see a kid with a super cool shirt you wish you had, but you don't have that nice shirt, and so he makes you feel bad. When you have school uniforms, everyone is wearing the same thing, and this doesn't happen. According to the National Association of Secondary School Principals, when all students are wearing the same outfit, they are less concerned about how they look and how they fit in with their peers. Thus, they can focus more on schoolwork. Some school uniforms, or most school uniforms, help reduce popularity competitions between students. Frontier Academy says that by taking away a major point of competition, uniforms help students identify with one another, fostering equality and compassion. End quote. Uniforms put all students on the same level, no matter what clothes they can or cannot afford. When everyone is wearing the same thing, no one can tease or make fun of your clothes. Some students will claim that having to wear a school uniform makes you the same as everyone else. You lose your individuality by having to wear a uniform. Quite the reverse, uniforms encourage students to express themselves in other ways besides fashion. Says Frontiers Academy, a dress code encourages students to express themselves individuality through personality and academic achievements, not outward appearances. School is not about having cool clothes or being better than anyone else. Keeping up with fashion trends is not the purpose. Education does not rely on fashionable apparel or who can afford the priciest brands. Former U.S. President Bill Clinton told Congress if it means that teenagers will stop killing each other over designer jackets, then our public schools should require their students to wear school uniforms. End quote. Now you can see that uniforms can help students, parents, and teachers alike with cost, time, bullying, and individuality and creativity. So when you hear the phrase school uniforms, think of the great things that come from wearing them. School uniforms are becoming more popular as these benefits are being realized. School uniforms are really the best choice for the most positive academic experience.